Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to check if an iPhone is original or fake. If this video helps you, please leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap About. Here you'll find your serial number. Press and hold the serial number, then tap Copy. Now open Safari. Go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Scroll down to the serial number field, tap it, and then tap Paste. Next, tap Submit. If Apple recognizes the serial number and displays information about your device, it's a good sign that the iPhone is genuine. If the serial number isn't recognized or you receive an error saying it's invalid, double-check that you entered it correctly. If it still isn't recognized, the device may require further verification. For the most reliable results, always use Apple's official website when checking an iPhone before buying it. That's it! You now know how to check whether an iPhone is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.